Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to use two-step verification Roblox. So, two-step verification is an option in the Roblox account settings that will require you to enter a code when trying to log into Roblox from email or authenticator application. Many authenticator apps, such as those from Microsoft and Google, will provide you with a code such as 123456, but you also need recovery codes such as 1K458, something like that. Also, there is email. Roblox will send you an email to your email inbox with a code, for example, 123456. You also need recovery codes in case you lose access to your email or Roblox. And then we have here security key. You will need to plug to your device a security key and touch it. You can only use your own security keys that you added to your own Roblox account. Okay, to explain it more, let's go first to email secure. Go to Roblox, go to security, scroll down, and go to this email secure here. So all you have to do is to toggle this one on. Receive unique security codes at your specific email. So you just have to type your password here, click verify. And then once you tap this one, then you will receive a security code to your email. Okay, so all you have to do is to simply check those codes. And when you log into your Roblox, you just have to type those codes. Next we have here is backup codes. All you have to do is to click generate and then enter the code that they sent to your email address. That is a 6-digit code. So you have to check your email and enter that 6-digit code here. And then once done, all you have to do is to click verify. And then you can see all the codes that you can use whenever you log into your Roblox, or if there's something happen to your Roblox, you have here new backup codes. Please save them as you will not be able to see the codes again later. So you can tap this I've saved my backup codes and then click close. Okay. So another way also to use two-step verification Roblox is to simply go back to your Roblox application again or account, go to settings, and still go to security. Okay, so now under security, you have to look for what we call authenticator app, very secure. All you have to do is to toggle this one, and as you can see, you have to scan the QR code above into your authenticator app, then enter the generated code below. That's it. So after you enter that 6-digit code, then you have to verify, and you can see or something will pop up that says generate new recovery codes, but you have to verify your account or your password. You have to enter your password, click continue. Then once you click continue, then the recovery codes will appear. And of course, you have to at least write down the recovery codes that are presented, and you have to save them because you cannot see them again. So in order to have the copy of these codes, you have to save or write it. So that's how easy it is to use two-step verification Roblox. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.